Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can turn ideas into clear, organized content in a flash. In this video, we'll show you how to use diagrams to map out workflows, drive comparisons, break down concepts, and visualize plans. No design skills needed. Let's dive in. Gamma has visual tools that let you map out processes or concepts, all in a clean, interactive format called diagrams. There are two types you can work with. Smart diagrams. These are structured templates that dynamically adapt as you edit them. They're built to snap your content into place automatically, so you can focus on the idea, not the formatting. Freeform diagrams. If you need more flexibility, Freeform diagrams let you build from the ground up with tools that adapt to your thinking. You can freely add lines, arrows, shapes, text, and images to illustrate your ideas the way you like. Let's learn how to create your own diagrams in Gamma. In the Insert menu, click on the Diagrams option. Starting with a template. Here, you can access a gallery of pre-made templates made for different use cases like Venn diagrams, org charts, and different types of matrices. To add them to your project, just drag and drop your selection into your card and start adding your content inside the placeholders. Starting from scratch. You can also begin with a blank diagram. To do this, drag and drop the blank diagram option into your card. Once added, you'll have access to a variety of tools to design your diagram freely. You can add shapes, connect them with arrows and lines, include text, and even import images. This tool is excellent for creating custom visualizations and mood boards. Your imagination is the only limit. You can also find freeform templates such as weekly calendars or Gantt charts, which serve as starting points and are fully customizable. Diagrams give you customizable options to match the vibe of your project. You can adjust alignment, colors, and distribution. If you're using smart diagrams, you can add more steps, and the diagram will adapt automatically. For freeform diagrams, you can customize the layout and each element independently by adjusting the stroke thickness, fill style, and more. And that's it. With diagrams in Gamma, you can turn complex thoughts into clear, connected visuals, fast and without design skills. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas out there. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and tips.